Alright, Scorpio, hello, what's up? So, this is your reading for the month of December 2025. This is your general love reading. Titingnan lang natin kung sino ba itong taong kakonect mo and potential outcome by the end of the month. Scorpio, again, this is just a general reading, so only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. And also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell na rin po to get more, to be notified, okay, to be, Hi Scorpio, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today, Scorpio, gagawin natin ang inyong reading for the month of December 2025, a general love reading. Tingnan po natin kung sino po ang taong kakonect nyo and what can you expect as an outcome by the end of December 2025. This is just a general reading as well. So take in only what resonates, take only what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell na rin po para po tayo ay updated sa ating mga new uploads in the future, okay? Alright, so let's see, kamusta ba si Scorpio for the month of December? However, between the lines, look for what's hidden. So, maaring hinahanap mo, naghahanap ka ng, I don't know, kung nagko-contemplate ka ba, Scorpio, no? But I think meron kang pinag-aaralan or meron kang ini-study about your love life. Parang, I don't know if parang, I don't know if whether to end the situation or not. Let's see. Ever snake, not what it looks like. So there is a snake in the situation and finances. Mind on the money. So, maaring some of you focus kayo sa money nyo, walang focus sa love life nyo. Okay? And meron dito, they're not what it looks like or may pagka-deceptive. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, Scorpio, sino ba tong taong kakonect mo for the month po ng December? Our 10 of Cups could be another Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that you're dealing with. I'm hearing, umalis na to sa buhay mo kaso bumalik ulit. Could have family with this, could have family or, family with this person, like a home life. Okay, the Sun card. Sino itong kakonect ni Scorpio? Okay, the Emperor card. And, tatlong major arcana. Oh my God. There's something big na nangyayari ngayon astrologically, no? Kasi halos lahat, pati sa ibang signs, puro major arcana lumalabas. So, someone na mayroon kang family before, someone that you may have a kid, just one kid, some of you, or it could be kahit ilang kid, basta parang may anak kayo dito. Okay. Maaaring some of you, nagkakaroon na kayo ng parang tough moments with this person or difficult situation with this person na I'm seeing nawawala na ng control yung person nyo with regards to your connection. So parang feeling nila powerless sila sa situation or wala silang magawa or parang hindi nagte-thrive siguro yung relationship nyo, no? So maybe ang someone dito manifesting an ending. Someone here is very smart. I'm seeing Mercury. So someone here is very smart, someone is very tactless. Okay, what is the Sun card here? Versus who is this person? 10 of Swords and High Priestess. So, may pagka-sinungaling. Mayroong sinungaling sa connection nyo. Could be you, could be them. Just take it what it resonates lang, okay? So, maaring yung person na to nasaktan na ng paulit-ulit dahil sa paulit-ulit ng pagsisinungaling ng isang person. Okay? What is the Emperor card here? The Tower card. So, maaring marami ng upheavals or conflicts na nangyari sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Or destruction ng inyong relationship, na destroy na ang foundation, ganyan. Maraming pagsubok na ang dinaanan ninyo. What is the Magician card? 9 of Wands. So, someone here is parang nag-hold on na lang at the tiniest bit. Yun yung nakikita ko. And anytime they can go away and fly away. Okay? Because maybe, yeah, they want changes or they want transformation sa situation. What happened in the recent past or in the past with Scorpio? So, the Fool card, some of you are dealing with a Aries. This is the start. The Fool card is always the start of something. Pero why do I feel na parang walang nagsa-start or walang nararating? Tama ba? Saturn card or the World card. Some of you are involved in a third-party situation. May family kayo with this person. Maaring na-impactan yung situation. There could be an external influence nga na third party na maaring causing this, causing this conflict. Or is the reason kung bakit kayo nag-aaway ng person mo or nagkakaroon kayo ng collapse. Okay? Meron may ayaw ditong bitawan siguro yung third party. I don't know. Anong nararamdaman ng person na to kay Scorpio? 2 of Cups. Okay. This is your soulmate. This is your partner. Anong nararamdaman ng person na to kay Scorpio? Ace of Swords. So, may gusto silang sabihin. They want balance, fairness, and they want parang maayos na sitwasyon sa inyong dalawa. Okay? I'm really seeing in here na anytime could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Anytime maaari nang sumibat. Okay? Lalo kung hindi pa maging stable ang lahat. Yeah, maaring they're just waiting for a change or they're just waiting for some change lalo sa inyong financial status or sa inyong stability or sa inyong finances, ganun. Pagbabago ng maayos sa relationship. Ano may expect na action ni Scorpio with this person? Ace of Wands. So, expect communication with this person or parang expect na, what is the Ace of Wands? Wala ko muna magsalita ng takas. What is the Ace of Wands? The Chariot card. The Knight of Pentacles. I'm seeing here na meron kang kailangan gawin. Scorpio. Or, rather, this is your expected actions from them. Diba? So, you can expect them na parang, or this could be you, that they will put a halt in your connection, lalo kung hindi maging maayos yung situation nyo. Like, parang hindi mabura yung mga conflict. Hindi talaga nawala yung mga dapat mawala. What is the Ace of Wands? What's the issue here? The Strength card. Bagay na kailangan ng tanggalin. Bagay na kailangan ng tanggalin na maaaring nagkakos ng conflict sa inyong dalawa. Maybe a person that you're dealing with. Or maybe a person that someone is dealing with. Could be you, could be them. Take note that rules can be reversed. Okay? So just take it as it resonates. Anong potential outcome nito by December? King of Cups. So we have here the King and Queen of Cups. So parang sa nakikita ko dito, kung aalis man yung person na ito, is parang, I don't know, pabor naman sa'yo. Scorpio. Parang isa kasi dito masama yung loob para sa anak. Kasi maaaring hindi nakukuha yung suporta na dapat. At parang naapektuhan na yung anak. May mga struggles dahil sa king. Dahil sa divine masculine. Maaaring hindi nagtitake ng alam mo yan, na parang walang ginagawa para maayos yung conflict. Dapat siya ata yung nagkukos ng stability sa relationship or sa connection. Pero sa nakikita ko dito, parang isusuko na lang to ni Divine Feminine. Kasi nga, parang wala nangyayari. Lalo sa stability and parang kahit bumaliktad to, okay lang ba kay Scorpio? Yeah, the Lover's card. Feeling ko may ibang pupuntahan ang isa sa inyo once nag-end tong situation na to. Okay? I'm hearing wala naman ako magagawa. So that could be for some of you. Anong advice para kay Scorpio with regards to this connection? 7 of Swords. Someone is cheating. Someone is cheating. Be careful of deceit. Guard yourself for deceit, for deception. Okay, kaya daw nagkakaganyan yung person mo kasi kaya nagkakaganyan yung isa sa inyo na magulo yung situation nyo kasi yung isa nag-o-offer ng emotion sa iba or nagbi-build sa iba. Medyo juicy. Okay, so maaari nakikipag-usap to sa iba, maaari nag-offer to ng emotion sa iba, kaya ganon. Okay? Kaya ganun daw yung person mo. So, be careful. Nanduloko ka lang ng person mo. Just take it as it resonates. Okay, let's get some oracle cards to wrap up the reading. Okay, so let's see. Scorpio. Ever gambling, problems with addiction or gambling, bad finances. So, meron dito, merong may addictions, sa kung ano man yan, sa kung ano mga addictions yan, basta addictions, nagka-gamble, or gumagawa ng mga bagay-bagay dahil sa addictions. Patience, just a few more months, good things come to those who wait. So, dito merong nagpapasensya na lang or naghihintay ng pagkakataon and distance. You and your partner may be physically or emotionally distant. So, parang magkaroon talaga ng separation is what I'm seeing between you and your person or current person. Okay? So that's all what I have for you, Scorpio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next readings, guys. Bye!